Natalie Berth here, doing another profile mini review. Uh, just remember, this is not comprehensive, just what I can fit in about 2.5 to 3 minutes. Eve is a government employee, a US government employee who is not looking for a job, just wants to update her profile. And so this is a career based review. Right off the bat, what I would say is I actually looked it up. The GAO, the Government Accountability Office, does in fact have a landing page or business page inside of LinkedIn. So she needs to go back and make sure that she is connected so we don't end up with this dreaded gray box. That just makes it look better, just looks a little bit more professional. Even though she is an employee, there are a couple of things that I would recommend that she do. The first is this picture, the banner in the back. I would recommend that something that is related to what she does is up here, not the brand, right? We don't want to brand anybody else's information, but maybe her experience, her philosophy, could be a quote, but something that kind of really brings in a little bit, maybe something she's passionate about, but something that would be really kind of telling a little bit of the story of what she does. So, for example, she's a team lead, right? Maybe her philosophy or approach on leadership. We'd have to work at that out a little bit in more detail. The next thing is talking about her position here, what she's got listed in her headline. We could add something that's a little bit more interesting to add a little bit of personality to who she is and what she does. And so it could be something that she is, again, passionate about, something quirky. She's traveled all over the world, so she could, talk about these kinds of things. And then the third thing that I would recommend, aside from removing anything over 20 years old, unless there's a compelling reason to keep it, and most dates, is uh, she has done a lot of really amazing stuff that she's worked on. She has written testimonies, she has had reports, all of that stuff. Like if there's a published report, even if it's a boring government, I don't know, history of something, right? That analysis that can actually go under publications if it's publicly available. And any major projects that she's working on or that she has worked on in the last 20 odd years, she should be putting in the project section. So basically, this profile really just needs to take advantage of all of the sections that she has an opportunity for. Okay, thank you to Eve for allowing me to review her profile. And if you would like a review of your own profile, let me know in the comments and I will tag you as soon as I'm able to do it. Thanks.